What's up, everyone? Today we'll be taking the bumper to get it sandblasted because it has a wrinkled black powder coat texture that I don't like, and plus I want to color match it to the truck. So we'll be dropping it off today so they can have that done. The delivery vehicle is going to be my mom's mint cat eye. Hope y'all guys like it. This thing's clean. Well guys, we got the bumper back from sandblasting, and I also had it color matched to the truck. It came out real nice. As you can see, that's a good quality paint job from the guys over at my job. We'll be putting it together today, putting it all together, try to get this light bar mounted in there, a 30-inch rigid light bar, and hopefully mount it up today in the truck. We'll see how it goes. She's on. What do you think? It was a heavy SOB, but it's on now. We still gotta wire up the light bar, but man, it's too hot to be out here, so I'll do it at work one day in the AC shop, and I'll post an update of what it looks like with all the lights on. And the truck does have full LEDs with switchbacks and all, so it's gonna look clean.